So it is still sort of quite embryonic in the world of IT or in the world of Lenovo. So for me, the excitement is getting that message out there, working with partners, working with customers, talking to them about how an as a service can help transform their business and help change their business. It takes them from a completely different concept of where it's just been capex.
Yeah.
They're just buying the hardware, adding some software onto that, maybe adding some support services onto it. TruScale is a end-to-end, fully managed service offering today that customers can buy that can help change their business. It gives them the flexibility in terms of how they want to pay for their technology. A lot of businesses are making that capex or do make that capex investment, but they don't do it when they're buying their fleet of cars or their fleet of vans. They always finance it or structure it. So we're looking to sort of take that concept a little bit with TruScale in terms of giving that flexibility from a funding perspective, but then wrapping a lot of services in there as well, which benefits some organizations. With the changes that we've made on TruScale or about to change on TruScale, we're actually going to make it so customers can pick what service elements they want. So for the smaller organizations, they may not want the full-blown managed service because then that kind of adds some additional cost to it. They may just want the deployment and they might want some Premier support or in terms of the support piece of it, because that can then bring down the cost. It can then fit into their business model a little bit more, and then they can just pay for what they need, and we can pay it on a financial structure that works for them as well.